Ambivalence. Ambivalence. The state of having two opposing feelings at the same time, or being uncertain about how you feel. Once upon a time, there was a young man named Alex who lived a life filled with ambivalence. He was torn between his desire to travel the world and his love for his family and hometown. He couldn't decide what he wanted to do and felt stuck in his life. One day, Alex met a woman named Sarah who was a free-spirited traveler. She encouraged Alex to embrace his desire to see the world and not let his love for his family hold him back. Alex was torn between his feelings for Sarah and his love for his family, creating even more ambivalence in his life. As he spent more time with Sarah, he realized that his love for his family was not mutually exclusive with his desire to travel. He could have both, and he started to make plans to embark on a journey around the world. However, his ambivalence towards leaving his comfort zone held him back. In the end, Alex mustered the courage to face his ambivalence head-on. He set out on his journey and discovered that the world was much bigger and more beautiful than he ever could have imagined. He learned to balance his love for his family with his love for adventure and lived a fulfilling life.